Hi guys, I know I haven't posted in forever, but I wanted to start coming back and making videos because I'm honestly tired of going to school and work, and I just thought to myself, why not make YouTube videos? So today I am filming a totally spontaneous mukbang. I just thought of it like this morning, just because whatever, and I am in my car, so if you hear the AC, I hope you guys can bear with it. And today I am eating MUKBANG. They actually opened one up in my city. So let me take a thumbnail. So in the bag I have spicy rice cakes, also known as tteokbokki. If I said it right, I don't know, I'm trying. And I've actually been craving this, but never found the energy to go out and eat it by myself. I also just got the all mozzarella corn dog. I don't really like the ones with the hot dog in it, so I just got the all mozzarella one. And here's what this looks like. I really don't want to make a mess in here. That's why I actually filmed a video yesterday, but it or 2 days ago, but it was kind of a fail. I went to CAKES, and obviously it was like spontaneous, and the setup was just, yeah, my phone started overheating because I'm recording on my phone. I used to record on my camera, but I want this to be more raw, just like I like my men. Just kidding. I want this to be more natural. Sometimes when I'm set up in a house, I just feel so forced and fake. But I just wanted to feel like I'm on FaceTime, or just talking to a friend. So here's what the rice cakes look like. I really don't want it to spill. But yeah. Let me try taking a thumbnail with the actual rice cake showing. So I'm gonna go in with the corn dog first, just because, with the rice cakes first, just because I've been anxious. And I wish they put cheese on it, but I guess that's what the corn dog's for. And hopefully it's not too spicy, because I'm actually not good with spice. It's pretty spicy. So I'm not too sure if I mentioned it earlier, but I just wanted to start a segment called Lunch Breaks with Carol. So I'm literally just gonna eat during my lunch break before I go into work and try to film it for you guys. So I just dipped it. Haven't had this in so long. Let me try some of the fish cake. They also put an egg in here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so when I tried filming the CAKES mukbang, it was a total fail. It just got so messy, and it was hot. It's hot today. It's actually gonna be in the hundreds. So it's kind of risky for me to film this. I'm about to take a big bite. So yeah, honestly, I'm just tired of going to school and working. I don't think my education is a waste, but it's so tiring. Also, I don't really like putting ketchup and mustard on it. I don't know why. I hope my phone doesn't overheat today. I'm thinking of selling my DSLR and just buying like a little like camera that like all the vloggers use. Should I bite into the egg now? I love boiled egg. I knew I should have bought one of those car steering wheel tables. I was debating between doing the Travis Scott meal today for McDonald's, but I've been having burgers these past couple of days. Like, we've been making them at home, so I don't know if I wanted another burger. It's getting spicy. It's getting really spicy. I'm starting to get a runny nose. Let me feel if my phone's getting hot. Okay, not really. The egg helps cool it down. This bite is gonna be messy. Oh, it's so spicy. I wish I had like a McDonald's Sprite to wash it down. Okay, so yeah, I'm bad with spice, but I actually like the carbonara fire noodles. Like, I can eat that for fun. Anything else, like hot Cheetos, I can't do. And I'll only put green salsa on my tacos. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rice cakes left. And I don't really like wasting food. Let me finish my corn dog first. Okay, I don't want to finish the corn dog because I feel like it'll help me when I eat these rice cakes. I don't think I could eat any more of the rice cakes. My car says it's only 90 degrees, but it feels like 150 degrees. I haven't been wearing foundation since COVID. I think my skin looks pretty good. All I do is put on powder, just so I'm not so oily. I want to try the Rihanna blotting powder, so I'm probably gonna buy that one of these days, and then I just throw on some blush and highlight just to give some liveliness to my face. Okay, I have one bite left, and And I still have my rice cakes, so I'm gonna just, actually I'll try to eat the rice cakes. Or let me have one more rice cake. I don't want to force myself, but alright, so I'm done with the rice cakes because I don't like going to work too full. So now I'm on my last bite. I'm really happy that satisfied my cravings of rice cakes. And I've been wanting a corn dog for a while. Just anything cheesy. Right, hopefully this doesn't spill. Alright guys, so this brings me to the end of the video, and I just wanted to say thank you for finding your way to this video after all this time and sticking around till the end. If you have any recommendations or anything you would like to see, feel free to leave a comment, or if you know me personally, you can just go ahead and message me and I'll be glad to put it out there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!